Hey guys, Matt here, coming to you from Yeager's Cycle in Sedalia, Missouri. I want to introduce you to this 2022 RZR XP 1000 Premium. This is our Yeager's Special. We've loaded this vehicle up a little bit with some extra goodies for you guys. Coming in on some nice 15-inch System 3 off-road wheels with the nice 32-inch matching System 3 tires. Loaded it up with the factory genuine Polaris 48-quart cooler. Also comes with a handle so you can pull that thing out and carry it wherever you go. And just look at those tires. This thing is beefy. Went ahead and threw on a rear view mirror for you guys too. A nice poly sport roof. Get a good view of that. Along with a full windshield. See these flaps right here? We open these up. Allow for some nice airflow on them hot days while you're out riding the trail. One amazing machine, guys. Come check it out before it's gone.